Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, working as assistant professor from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Okay, so in today's smart factory, that means in this recent manufacturing system, understanding the spectrum from manual labor to full automated system and selecting the optimal automation strategy for manufacturing excellence is the basic things which will make us to be sustained in the business of manufacturing. Okay, so today we are going to see a subtopic from our first unit, which is called types and level of automation. In a previous video we have seen about the introduction of automation, and then the concept of automation, and also followed by the need for automation. Okay, so here we are going to see the type and the level of automation so that we can get a clear idea on what type of man automation we can implement for our system. So understanding the automation selection. Okay, what are types and levels? Okay, so these uh, are comes under the question of how flexible a system is and how much control an integrated system will have. Okay, so automation types define how flexible a system is handling product variety. Okay, and our automation level describe how much control and integration exists across the manufacturing hierarchy. Okay, so overall the type define how flexible it is, and then the level describe how much control we have over the system. Then is manual assembly. We know that manual assembly, we are switching from manual assembly to automation because the work intensive operation requires skilled workers and adaptively for low volume. Okay, so high variety of production cannot be done by means of manual because there will be lot of challenges in order to overcome this. So worker intensive operations require skill and adaptability for low volume and high variety production. And then why selection matters. Okay, so this is also a very much important thing we have to understand why selection matters. So optimize capital investment and operational cost. So the whatever the product or whatever the manufacturing system is, the main objective is to reduce the operational cost and also to optimize the capital investment. Okay, so when it comes to automation, the capital investment is little more higher when it's compared to the manual assembly, but still it will lead to a very for a long term it will lead to the decrease in operational cost. Okay, next one is matches production volume with system capabilities. Okay, so always we have to match production volume with system capabilities based on the types and level of automation we have been using, and balances flexibility against efficiency requirement. Okay, so efficiency requirement is also an important role. And then last, determines scalability and future adaptability. So this is are the things why selection matters. That means the selection is like what type of automation we are going to select. Okay, next is fully automated plant. So integrated robotic system with minimum human intervention for high volume mass production. So nowadays most of the companies like Cisco, Fanuc, and Caterpillar have been moved to smart manufacturing, where they reduces the human intervention and it's fully automated. Okay, so this leads to major productivity. That means it will increase the productivity, and the mass production can be done in a very less time with low cost and also wastages. Then semi-automated CNC. So we have already seen what is manual assembly and fully automated plant. Semi-automation, when it comes to semi-automation, CNC is the best example for semi-automated. Okay, we know what is CNC, right? Computer controlled machining. So, which operate intervene from step up, loading, and quality check. Okay, here it's partially automated. At the same time, the worker need to be present in order to get the output. Thank you.